Okay, welcome back everybody. Well, we talked to you in last night's video about the fact that we were kind of looking at these, levels up here, this line and this one as kind of the key resistance, to the upside, and then to the downside we had the speed lines. And you'll notice that basically most of the action was contained within those areas. We basically gapped up this morning, only to have it come right back down there with some of the economic data concerning people about possibly further interest rate hikes. So with that being said, going into tomorrow's session, I'm going to be watching those same areas that I was focusing on today for breakout and breakdown opportunities before the FOMC and after the FOMC meeting. So, with that being said, I'm going to be watching, make sure we get into trends. You can see here, we, don't really have a trend. For those of you who are familiar with how I determine trends, here we got sideways technical damage, 5-minute chart, sideways technical damage, and then the hourly chart's been flat for quite a while here today. Not this part of it, that was in an overall uptrend, but, the last few hours been sideways. So what we're doing is we're looking for a trend to break out to the upside on multiple time frames here, or break out to the downside. That's going to be on the active intraday trader side, and then we're going to be looking at what the technicals look like from a swing trade perspective as well after we get the announcement here tomorrow. So good news is we'll be in class tomorrow night. We'll be going through a lot of different things together, so make sure you join me there at becomeabettertrader.com/go. becomeabettertrader.com/go. We're going to be going in and hitting a whole bunch of things on taking traders from cautious trader stance to calculated to confident, talking about entries, exits, risk management in those different categories. So this is going to be a class like we haven't done before. So normally we teach a strategy, then go into other meat and potatoes. Tomorrow night we're just going to be getting right into meat and potatoes there, and then how it applies and teaching strategies around those different levels of active traders and investors. This is for day traders and swing traders, basically in stocks, futures, options, ETFs, Forex, cryptocurrencies, pretty much anything that you're trading here. And so this is going to be really important information. So make sure you join us tomorrow night, becomeabettertrader.com/go. In the meantime, you have some of the key levels I'm going to be watching for breakouts, breakdowns, and we'll follow up on that information tomorrow night. Have a great night, and I'll see you at this event tomorrow night. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.